If you have been looking for ways to do automations, you'll probably get stuck finding that most of the features out there on internet are locked behind a paywall. But let me tell you something. One of the most known tools, N8N, soon as you go onto their website, you will see there is a pricing fee for you to use their service. But let me tell you, there is a free version of N8N that you can install it and run on your computer completely for free. This is a forever solution for you. What nobody knows is actually the price that you're paying on N8N websites is actually to use their cloud services. However, if you run it locally on your PC, that means you're not using their cloud services. So you can actually build your own automation to run on your computer. As long as you have internet access, depending on your automation, you set the nodes properly, then you can basically have unlimited automations. So I have been running automations for different things within my business and also for my daily tasks. I realized that when I do repetitions of things throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month, things that requires me time to do it, if I think through and I build a plan, then I can create an automation to simplify those tasks, to make something that could take me 15 minutes to do it in one click of a button. Some examples of things that I use is content creation, generating leads, and simply automations that I run on my PC. I have dug through the best way for you to install it, making sure I explain everything through, all the questions that you might have throughout this path, so you can have N8N to run locally on your PC completely for free. And the easiest way for you to do it is throughout templates, which I'm going to give you 3 sources for you to get more than 10,000 templates for free, so you can easily install in your system and you can 10x your workflow and be much more productive. I want to bring your attention to this website. It's N8N in GitHub. And if you notice here, we have 197,000 people that already know this and use for their own benefits. And this is a GitHub repo, which works exactly the same as N8N. And basically, all you have to do is to simply use a command, either on PowerPoint or CMD, to install a clone from GitHub in your machine. So the process that we will work through today will be the installation, registering your account, full setup. I'm going to give you tips. I'm going to give you resources for you to get templates so you can install easily any type of automation you want and cover everything you need to know. Before we go into CMD or PowerShell, this is one of the most common questions. So does N8N run on a specific folder? And the answer to that is no. The way we are doing will be installed globally on your computer. When you launch PowerShell, as I do right now, all you have to do is to paste this command so it can work. So all the links that I will be talking throughout this video, I'm going to put down in the description. Also make sure for you to see the other links that I have available. For example, my join waitlist, which is a way that I find so I can communicate with you in the future whenever I launch something new, products for free that you can benefit from it. So the first thing for you to launch PowerShell, the easiest way, all you want to do if you are on Windows, you simply press Windows plus button R, and this is gonna open this here, and all you want to do is to type PowerShell. As well, another way that you can do this is throughout your search bar, and all you have to do is to write PowerShell, and it's going to show you right here, and you can open, right? Make sure you open as administrator right here, simply press it and run, and that's it. There you go. You can do this on CMD too if you prefer. It doesn't matter. Once you open, all you want to do is to type npm install N8N and then you press enter. And what this is going to do is going to fetch all the data and is going to install the N8N on your computer globally, as you can see. For you to get this to work, you have to have Node.js on your computer installed. So link is going to be in the description. All you want to do is to come to this top menu here and scroll down, and you can select your operational system. So we have Linux, Mac, Windows, and you can choose it here and simply download it and install it to run it correctly. So once you have installed N8N and also Node.js, all you have to do is to launch it. In case you already have N8N on your computer and you need to update, all you have to do is to type npm update, as you can see right here. In order for you to launch it, all you have to do is to type N8N and press enter. And as you can see, it's starting an N8N process. And once it shows press O to open a browser, simply press O. And once you launch it, this is what you're going to see. You just go on your browser and it should open this. And basically we have to register. I just want to quick say one thing. Every time you want to launch it, for me, I do this on a daily basis. So instead of every day you have to open PowerShell and type N8N, you can do this. Create a bat file, which it's a bat file. It's a file that is going to execute something on your computer. And me, I wanted to automate this to feel like an app. And what I did, I created a batch file to execute N8N to open the server locally on your computer, and it gets to work with one simple click. For you to create a batch file, all you have to do is to come to search and type Notepad, and you open your Notepad. Once you open your Notepad, this is what you want to type right here. And basically all you have to do is to save this file somewhere that you can always use it. For example, I saved mine on desktop. So every time I am on my desktop, I can see the batch file and I can simply click it and it will launch the server. Another thing that you do not want to do is to close your PowerShell, because this is what's going to hold the connection with you and the browser. If you close this, the browser is going to be unresponsive and it's probably going to give an error. So make sure every time you're using During, just leave this open, because this is your local server that is actually holding your N8N connection. If you close this, nothing is going to work. So let's say you want to run automations throughout your day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. You're going to have this open for it to work successfully. And this is what the paid feature does. It's a cloud that keeps your server open so you can always access even 24/7. For this instance, for you to run it, you're going to have your computer on for it to work. But now, if you want to go to a 24/7 automation, then you probably have to pay for a cloud service where you can leave your server running and you can run automations even when you sleep. For this case, it's running locally, and as long as your computer is online and you have access to internet, so we can access different functions inside N8N, everything should work fine. So all you have to do is to fill your email, your name, and passwords. And let me tell you one thing, in case you do forget your password, I do recommend you to save on your browser. But in case you end up losing your passwords, you have to come to PowerShell again, and you have to type this. You simply type N8N user management reset and press enter, and that's going to reset your login and password, and it's going to bring you exactly to the setup owner account. So you can redo and register again your email and password. So this is what I'm going to set right here. Next, and boom. As you can see, we are on it. And this is what it's going to look like. Probably not, but it doesn't matter. All you want to do is to come to this plus button next to it right here, new workflow. And this is actually where you set everything. So we are almost there. So let me just quickly go through exactly how you can use this here. So every time you want to set up nodes in order for your automation to work. So basically the way your automation, you have to start from point A to point C. So for this to work, it has to go from A, B, C. So you have to create nodes, and the nodes, you simply press this button here. And when there is a search bar, and when you search something, for example, YouTube, it's actually going to give you all the type of nodes that you can set to create your automation. So you have to have some knowledge. You have to study a bit on how to set this. For example, let's say you want to upload a video to YouTube, and this is going to create a node, and this is what inside the node is, the configuration. And basically you have to learn about this, but for this instance we will be using templates, and this is more or less what it's going to look like. It's going to start off here. It's going to send whatever task you want to the next node and to the next node. So because we're not setting nodes by nodes today, I'm going to give you the easiest way for you to do your automations. We are going to go on different templates, and here are the places where you can get lots of templates for almost anything you need. So the first one is N8N official website. When you go here, all you want to do is to come to product, templates, and here it's like a community of people who has made templates, and are giving for you for free. You have to realize that some of them also ask for the payments. It's their products that they created that took a lot of time. So you will see templates for free, as in this case, and also paid ones. One thing that I have to mention is that because the N8N is free, the templates you're getting is free. That doesn't always mean everything is going to be for free. For example, this example here, you can get the templates for free. You can set N8N for free. However, in the workflow, in the pipeline, it will use a feature called Blotato. And Blotato is a paid feature. So it doesn't matter if you're running locally, if you're getting a free template. What you have to pay attention is the tools that they are using inside the pipeline for your automation. So what you want to do is to make sure you select free tools with free tiers if you want to run everything completely for free in order to make it 100% free forever. So this is one of the things that I got really frustrated at the beginning. Every time I found something free, I built it, I connected everything, and at the end of it, he asked me to sign up for one of the features that they were using. For example, Blotato you can use for automate a way to post to many social medias at once with one single tool, but they have a paid version. So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. But yeah, you can come to templates and you can search through here. It's going to have many people that create different templates, and what you want to do is click use for free templates to get the file, the .json file, so you can actually import it to your N8N. But before we go to that, let me give you other ways for you to download free templates. So this website here, as you can see, in N8N templates, you will have over 6,000 templates which will cover anything you want completely for free. So guys, just make sure they are not using paid tools. As long as they are not using paid tools, you can get all those templates for free. It can be for automations. You can sign in for your clients, for your agencies, for your daily habits, or even if you want to try it out and test it. Automations is the way forward, guys. You have to set automations, and some of them that I have, it's research automations. I extract different information from different places into one. And for example, one tool that does this is Bloomberg Terminal. Bloomberg Terminal, it's an invest terminal that they collect data from everywhere in the world and they bring into one single platform. People pay a lot of money to have information at fast speeds, and this is what they do. But now with automations and AI, you can have this yourself at home through your own builds. The third place that I like to get my free templates is this GitHub repo here. It has 24,000 stars, and basically if you scroll all the way down here, it's going to have a few things which is really good resources that you can read from. But if you go down here, you will see that we will start with templates. For example, templates for Gmails and emails automations. And as you can see here, you can compose reply drafts in Gmail with OpenAI Assistant. So you can literally get an AI to read all your emails and compose those drafts. And then once you approve them, you can literally send it, and that's basically most of the work done. So let's put in perspective, if you have a business and you receive hundreds of messages every day, or you have hundreds of clients, or after you launch a successful campaign, you will have many customers coming to you. And a way for you to do it and basically save time is by getting an AI to read all those emails and make those emails that you should reply. But just before reply, you want to make sure everything is in order and is aligned to what you want to say to your clients. So that's this automation is going to do. And guys, there is crazy automations right here. And also you can create your own. Okay, so now that I have explained to you how to get your templates, let's actually get a template, download it, and add to N8N. So in this specific case, I'm going to get whatever. All you have to do is to find the .json file from your template, and we want to get it and add to your own N8N. So this way, over here, we want to link to the template, and it's going to have the .json file here. And what you want to do is to come to these three dots and press download it. And this is going to simply download the JSON file. Now that you have downloaded the JSON file, what you want to do is to come to these three dots in N8N. And all you want to do is to come down here and import from file. So you simply have to get the .json file, select the .json file, which is this one right here. You open and boom, that's it, guys. You have successfully installed your automation here. But hang on, this is not done yet. Once you have successfully deployed here on your N8N, you have to individually configure each node for it to work. And this is a bit time consuming. So I suggest to you, if you're only starting, for you to test it. Basic automations first before you develop something big. It is time consuming, but the outcome that you're going to have from it, it's amazing. So you're probably going to spend a whole week trying to do a very good, well thought automation, but this is going to save you thousands of hours in the next few years. So what you see here, this orange panel, it's just some basic information that the developer for the template gave you about, little configuration. Some of them is not going to have this. So you have to actually come here, and for you to do this, you simply double click and you open the configuration menu. And as you can see, each of nodes will have a different settings. So this will trigger every single day at 7 a.m. That's when this is meant to work. And for it to work, we have to set the agent, we have to set our email, we have to configure everything for it to work. So another way that you can actually make it automations on your computer is using your own AI. If you ask your own AI to build you a automation with the right nodes, then you will simply build it. So let me give you an example how I make this to work. One of the best AIs that I have used so far is MiniMax 3. And basically because to get automations working, it just do an amazing job. MiniMax 3, if you look on the benchmark, it's one of the best cost that you can get for the output it can have. And just as we speak, yesterday they launched a new feature that you can communicate with your MiniMax through your phone. And this is how we're going to set our node for today. This feature from MiniMax, all you have to do is to connect to your Telegram, and I'm going to show you how this works. All you want to do is to say something on your Telegram, and it will actually start using your agent on your computer, which that means for me, I can use remotely outside my work environment. So, hey, I need to create an automation from a YouTube video so I can demonstrate a full working workflow on N8N. The expected behavior is to have at least 4 nodes connected correctly, and when I press workflow, they should fully work. I am going to send it, and as you can see, it just went to my computer. And just wait a second. I'm not going to cut this. As you can see, he gave me the .json file that we are expecting, and because it's connected to my PC, it also gave me right here. This is an amazing feature, guys. Anyway, so what you want to do once you ask to do a certain type of automation for your workflow, for whatever you're doing, you can do this with any AI. I personally use a MiniMax 3. Cost benefit is amazing. It does its job. I have created multiple, probably 7 apps now, and I really like it for the cost benefits. I really recommend it. And actually, you can get a 12% discount with the link below. And make sure if you do get it, tell me what you think, because I only recommend things that I use. So what you want to do is to download this here. So once you are in N8N, you can simply delete this. We do not need. Again, you have to come to these 3 dots. Import file, and as you can see, this is the N8N YouTube that I asked for, and boom, it's right here. And once you have everything set, all you want to do is to press execute workflow, and as you can see, workflow executed successfully. And this is what it should look like, and basically that's how you can have N8N completely for free on your PC, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this. Next videos, I'm going to bring actual crazy workflows that you can have on your daily basis, maybe in your job, maybe for personal use, or maybe for business, whatever the case might be. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment down below what you think. I want to keep improving and bringing really good content to you. I'm going to try my best to be fully transparent and bringing really cool stuff for you. Thanks for watching.